How to cancel a Squarespace domain. So in order to cancel a Squarespace domain, first thing you need to do is just head over right here into your left sidebar. You should be able to see this gear icon right here, which is your settings. Now, once you have clicked on this, you can see under that the domains and email. Make sure to click on this option right there. Click on domains, and from in there you can see the domain that you have. So I have in here this built-in domain. So as you can see, this domain never expires. You can change in here or customize your built-in domain. If you wish, you can actually head over and add in here a new domain or use a domain that you own. For example, you can click on use a domain that you own, find in here that, type in here the name of the domain. After that, proceed to actually add it right here. You can choose in here this transfer domain or connect domain option. So click on connect right here. Choose first to select a provider and connect it. Once you have connected that and you want to cancel it, you can just proceed to click on the domain and cancel it from there. So that's how you cancel Squarespace domain. Hope we help.